Hello, my friends. Well, I decided to pick another winner of my color suggestion video, and then I'll create a painting based on the colors you have selected, and I'll mail that painting to you. So here we go. And the winner is Annie P. Really colorful. Do you put... Oh, okay, but she she did not suggest colors, so we're moving on. Pick another winner. So suspenseful. And the winner is Jerry Peter. Okay, Jerry comments a lot on my videos. Chris, love the colors in the swipe. As for colors for the next one, my favorite colors are blue, turquoise, bronze, and gold. Well, that sounds just beautiful. So, congratulations, Jerry. I'm going to pause now and get my paints mixed up, figure out what I'm doing, and I'll get to work. See you in a bit. All right, I'm back, and Jerry selected these four colors: gold, bronze, turquoise, and blue. She didn't specify which blue, so I went with brilliant blue for contrast. And then I have the option of adding either black or white, and I decided to go with white because I'm going to be doing a cloud pour. Although it has occurred to me how interesting a black cloud pour would be with these kind of colors as well. So I might try that sometime. I don't have any black enamel, but I know I can get some. So that will be a future experiment. Now my cloud pour today, it's the easiest recipe ever. It's just Floetrol and water, or no water. Floetrol and paint, satin enamel, no other white added. Just these two parts Floetrol, 1 part satin enamel, and that's it. And then the other colors I mix the same, 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint, but I did add water to make it meet close to the consistency of this one. They're a little thicker, but yeah, that's it. Easy peasy. So let's give it a go. It's on this 12 by 12. And I'm going to pour them in this order, starting with the dark. I wonder if I want to... Yeah, that's what I'll do. And here we go. Okay, and there's a pretty cup, and here we go. I'm pretty much just going to do a straight pour and rotate my wrist. And I'm about 2 inches from the surface. I have several cloud recipes, I think about 3 of them, and most of them, one of them has 5 ingredients. I'm not sure about the second one, but as I said, this is just 2 ingredients, paint and Floetrol. And you get a little different look with each recipe, but I've been very happy with the appearance of this particular one. So it's a great cloud recipe for beginners if it's the first time you're attempting a cloud pour, or if you've not been happy with previous cloud pours and recipes. So, for what it's worth, here it is. Okay. I'm going to let this percolate for a few minutes here before I tilt, so let me pause and I shall return. Wow, that has really developed. Look at those bouldery clouds, they're amazing. It's been probably a good 10 minutes and ready to tilt. I don't have any flow extender on hand, so I'm just going to go for it. Here we go. Sometimes I feel the cloud mix works better if you mix it up and let it sit for a few days. But with this recipe, you don't have to. I just mixed it up this morning. I mean, minutes ago. And as you can see, it's very, very reactive. So first I'll just get close to the, covering the canvas, and then I'll look at the composition and work out something hopefully attractive. Okay. Go to this corner first. And then I'm going to do something with that straight line there, like run part of it off. I'm disappointed I don't have more of the brilliant blue in here. It's just that one section in the center. I'm glad I have that. I put it first in the cup, so I knew it would be preserved there, but kind of disappeared in the rest of the composition. Okay. I don't like this shape here, so I'm gonna get rid of that. At least reshape it. Okay, that took care of that. I can't tell you how often a cloud pour will end up looking like a big puffy skeletal hand. And I'm seeing it again with this one. Like there's, you know, the here's the fingers and the thumb. It's weird. All right, let's really stretch the heck out of this one. don't quit too soon, you know. You can't leave too much paint on the surface, and you can't get discouraged too quickly. Just be patient with yourself and stretch the heck out of things. I find often my best pieces are ones that I just keep working at and be patient. I don't know if that's going to be the case this time, but I'm working on it. Okay, now I want to change up this edge there. I may bring that dark blue all the way to the edge and then pull it back. Or not. Okay, I think instead I'll come this way. I got rid of the big puffy hand. I don't hate it. I'm just not comfortable with this shape here. So I'm bringing the weight of the paint down maybe to the center. If I can tilt off the center of that shape off the edge, I might be okay with it. Let's see. What can I do with this? I don't love it. I'm going to take my skewer, see if I can't save it with some skewering. Multiple swirls. liking it better. Jerry, I hope you are too. I hope you didn't love it before I did all this. And over here would be night. One more. Maybe up here. Well, what's going on here? That must be a little something in there. Let's get rid of that. Let me run that off and do a little swirl to disguise that. Okay. I think that's not bad. I like it in this orientation with the white at the bottom. Let me bring you in. These swirls work best where there's contrast. So see where it's light and dark there. That's the most interesting. Although it helped those cloud forms down there change the look of them. And that's pretty nice right there. But this one, that's not bad either, but it's not as dramatic as that one. Anyway, I don't think it's too bad. It's very ethereal looking. Jerry, I hope you like this. Email me your mailing address. I don't think I have it. If I do, I'll just send it to you. If not, email me at ChRistyPaints@yahoo.com. And when this is dry and varnished, I'll send it to you. Thank you for watching, my friends. See you next time.